How to go incognito on iPhone. You don't always want your browser to remember where you've been. Here's how to go incognito, no matter what you're using. Do you want to keep your browsing sessions private? One way to do that is to go incognito in your browsers on iPhone. This ensures your data isn't preserved once you've closed your browser tabs. Fortunately, most popular browsers support the incognito feature, or private browsing, as it's also known. This guide takes a look at how you can go incognito in Chrome on iOS. 1. Open Chrome. 2. Tap the three dots menu and select New Incognito tab. 3. Your screen turns dark gray, which means you're now in private browsing mode. 4. Visit the websites you don't want to be saved in your history. To get out of incognito mode, close your incognito tabs and you'll be back to normal mode. This is how to go incognito on iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.